AI isn't just automating tasks, it's reshaping the middle class. Jobs once considered stable, analysts, paralegals, designers, coders, customer support, are now being replaced by scalable AI systems that work 24/7. What changed isn't technology, it's the speed. AI can now write legal briefs, generate entire marketing campaigns, build software, and analyze complex data in seconds. Economists warn this could trigger one of the fastest middle-class contractions in decades. Not because humans are less capable, but because companies no longer need as many of them. And this shift isn't equal. Countries with strong AI infrastructure are pulling ahead, while nations without it are falling behind fast. The future of work is already here, and the middle class might not survive the transition. If you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, subscribe NexaShift and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching.